it's gooey! It ain't even hard!
Oh, let's see it, let's see it. Yeah, it's a bird turd.
This does not go on Facebook.
He's gonna eat it for 20 bucks.
This doesn't go on Facebook though.
He's a broke nigga.
Shake my hand, say it doesn't go on Facebook.
I already made the deal, $20.
Did not. Shake my hand on
Okay.
Facebook.
I mean, I can't promise where it's gonna go. I won't put it on Facebook. 30 seconds afterwards, you can have a drink.
I can't swallow it.
Just look at his tongue.
Eat it. You didn't eat it. They did all that for free.
Oh man, dude, the texture was killing me. Oh, you did that for free.
I ate it.
It was in my mouth.
You spit it out. Eating it is digest, like down your throat.